Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are taking a look at 12312 Wisteria. This is a Gulf Shore Homes built property over here in the subdivision of Twin Eagles. This home here, as you can tell from the front, you've got a 3-car garage. It's going to be 2,750 square foot. You've got 3 bedrooms. You've got a den. Nice open type layout. Let's run inside and take a look. This home is currently available. You've got a nice entry here, travertine floor, high ceilings, and you walk right into your great room area. Really nice and open. You've got the dual trays up top. You've got speakers already run, and this is all open to your kitchen. You've got a dry bar there and panning back towards the entry. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off to the right of the entry. As you come to the right, directly ahead is your dedicated dining space here. Again, with tray ceiling. And just off that, you've got a little hallway here that has your powder room. One of 2 guest bedrooms, so here's one of them here. This one is an ensuite, so you've got a full bath. It's really nice. You also have a seat built in to the back of the tub. Nice little feature there. And the closets have all these beautiful built-ins here as well. Great storage space here. Now coming back here to the hallway, this is where you have your laundry. Tons of storage in here, which is really nice, plus your utility sink. You've got another storage closet right here. And then you've got the entry to your 3-car garage here. Nice that they have a couple windows to allow some natural light. And then you also have your side entry there to your garage as well. Coming back towards the main area again, we're gonna head towards the entry, and directly across to the left of the entry, you have a den. This is a huge den. It is a true den. It has a window, but no closet. So it's a true den. Nice recessed lighting there in the tray ceiling. Dual door entry. And then you have your master to the left here with its own dual door entry. And as you come in to the left, you have the master bath here. You've got separate vanities. Here you've got a seated vanity section. You've got the soaking tub, private commode room. There's the other vanity across from that one there. And then you've got your glass enclosed shower here. Nice sized closets on both ends, and they do have the same built-ins as well. Really nice feature to have in your master. Here's the other closet, again with the same type of built-in storage. And your bedroom area is plenty big. That's a king-size suite there. Lots of light. You have the big windows allowing for natural light to come in. And then you have access to your patio here as well from your master. All right, now coming out into the main area again, you've got the great room here. You've got the triple sliders, which open up, dry bar, and your kitchen here. That's a huge island. Lots of pantry space, electric cooktop, built-in microwave. Nice deep sink there. Your eating kitchen area here, you have a built-in bench seating here that goes around the table. Nice little feature. Plenty of room to sit at the island as well. And you know, your TV would typically be straight ahead there where you see that portrait against the wall. Now back here off the kitchen is the last guest bedroom here. Again, lots of natural light, big windows, allowing for lots of light to come in. The closet again has the same style of storage. And then you have the guest bath here with the glass enclosed sliding glass door. This is actually your pool bath here. Directly across from us is the access to your pool area. So this bedroom back here, you have a door right here to close off. You've got a pocketing door here, shut that all off, and now this bedroom has private access to the pool bath. Now we're going to take a look outside. Huge space under truss here. You could fit a small living room in here. So plenty of room out here for seating. Got your outdoor kitchen. Tons of entertaining space. And then you have your pool and spa. Now, as far as the view is concerned, you've got sun straight overhead, which is really nice, falling right there on your pool. And your view, you do have a lake off to the left. You've got Covent Garden in the background. Those are the coach homes that you see. And you've got the tee box right out front here. So you wouldn't have to worry about any golf balls coming towards your home. It's private on this side of the home here. You're not seeing any other lanais for homes next to you. To the left, you can see that one peeking out there, which can be easily fixed. If you didn't want to see that, you can put some areca palms right off to the side here, and that would cover up nicely and make this spa area completely private. All right, so this is Wisteria over here in Twin Eagles. We hope you like the home. If you're interested in this property, you can give us a call at any of the numbers below. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we thank you for watching.